In today's video guys, I'm gonna show you one simple trick to fix Roblox not launching. So all what you want to do is very simple. Just go into this bar right here, click on the start button and then click on settings right here. It will take you into this page, click on apps. After that, right here, click on default apps right here. And when you click on this option, all what you want to do is very simple. Just scroll down until you find the this receipt option here. Click receipt to the Microsoft recommended defaults. After that, go back, click on the task manager here, click on task manager, and then all what you want to do is turn off Roblox right here. If it's here, click on your right mouse, click on end task. Don't forget to like, subscribe.